Hi guys, Steffi here. Okay, so we've got another pen haul video for you today. Now, these pens, well, first of all, these are all the boxed pens. I will show you the loose pens on Monday, so you'll have the weekend to get all excited. So come back on Monday to see the loose ones. These pens are from my recent travels, not just from one particular location, numerous locations. I went looking and searching for pens. As always, most of these pens are available. We'll be looking for new homes. So if there's anything of interest to you, you know what to do. As I tell you always, get in touch down below. Get in touch. So, right, let's get on with it. Right to the front here. What have we got for you here? There we go. We've got a lovely burgundy marbled Conway Stewart. This is a dinky set with a pencil. Very nice condition, as you can see. Comes with the original box there. So I know there's people out there that collect these dinkies. You know what to do. This one's just simply an empty box. I do like to sort of collect these boxes now and again, just in case I find the correct pen, the Victoria automatic self-filling fountain pen. Okay. This one at the front, this one's interesting. Look at the box here. It's quite a sort of Art Deco-y type box. Now, if I open it up, if I get it the right way round, that is, look at that. What we've got is a Platinum Deluxe, and this one is it the Decker model made in England? Okay, now this one, I mean, the colour of it is absolutely gorgeous. It's a faceted fountain pen, as you can see. There you go, Platinum Deluxe. Comes with chrome trim, as you can see. And it has a gold-plated nib. Whether that's a correct one, I'm not too sure. But I just saw it and I thought, what a lovely colour. And you can see it's a button fill. So this lovely sort of faceted design. Very nice colour indeed, considering sort of platinum were sort of the lower down as far as the manufacturer was concerned. But a gorgeous, gorgeous colour. Why don't they make these colours anymore? So a lovely Platinum Deluxe fountain pen and pencil set. Down at the bottom here, we've got a Parker. There we go, a Parker. Just by looking at it, it's a slim foot. Oh no, is it a lady do fold, as you can see with this sort of hooded nib. Let's pop that back on. Now what I'll do, I'll take that out of the box because I think it's not the correct box, I don't think, and I'll put a nicer pen in this particular box, so I'll make use of the box. Occasionally I do just buy the pens because, to me, if you like, the box is worth more than the pen on some occasions. The Conway Stewart pen. Let's have a look at this. Oh, this is quite a nice one. We've got this sort of duck egg blue Conway Stewart pen. There you go. It's got the correct nib. I think it's like an aerometric system, similar to the Parkers. So I would say it's quite a later model, but a lovely colour. As I say, in this sort of duck egg blue colour. Waterman. Now this one says Waterman pencil. So yeah, I'm assuming it's a pencil, which I'm quite correct. So there we go. Anybody looking for a Waterman pencil to go with a Waterman fountain pen, you know what to do. Get in touch. So we've got a Swan box, very early Swan box, as you can see there. And what we've got inside, apart from the instructions, I'm not sure what this one is, so let me quick look. It's the Swan pen, maybe Todd and Company, made in England. So it's the Swan pen, lovely condition. It's got quite a dirty nib. Looks like it's got an over and under feed or something. It's got some sort of overfeed to the top of the nib there, if you can see. But yeah, that'll clean up nicely. So there we have a nice Swan pen. Put that to one side. There we go. It says what it says on the tin. A nice cross box. With the early cross-century ballpoint and pencil. Let's try and get it out. It's got this lovely sort of Greek style band to it there. I think, not quite sure. Does it say made in Ireland? So this is the early century, I would say. As I say, ballpoint and pencil set. Okay, very much underrated pens, as I keep on telling you people. But I know there's people that like the cross pens. Look at this, a lovely sort of old type style box. Press the button, and what we've got inside is a lovely solid silver pencil. There you go, look at that, in working condition. It's got this lovely little tassel, quite a thin pen or pencil, and then somewhere, I think there it is, you can see it's got this solid silver hallmarks. I've not actually looked where it's actually made, etc. But yeah, a lovely solid silver pencil. I know there's people that collect just pencils. If you're one of them people, get in touch. Let's have a look at the back here. Right, another cross. So let's open this up. What have we got? Right. Now this is one of the more interesting pens. I've got some nice, interesting loose pens as well. Nice and simple. What we've got is a cross Townsend fountain pen in this green marbled lac. Okay, as you can see, excellent condition. It's got a gold nib, as you can see there, and I think it comes with a converter as well. Yep, there you go. So a gorgeous. Now, some people don't like the cross pens because they say they're too small. Now, the Townsend, for you people that don't know, are actually a much larger pen. A nice weight to it, in my opinion, but a very nice pen indeed. A quality made pen. Comes in 23 karat gold plated trim, but in gorgeous, gorgeous condition. So let's try and find this gorgeous pen a new home, because it deserves to be used or to put into somebody's collection. We've got Waterman here. Which one is it? Let's have a look. Can we find a number on it? Well, let me have a look. Actually, I'm saying Waterman. It's a Parker Dufold. There you go. It's got the correct nib to it. So, is it a button filler? Yeah, we've got a nice, is it the aluminium button filler? It looks like the button's missing there. But, yeah, a Parker Dufold in a Waterman box. But, once again, I'm sure we'll find, you know, a nice pen to put into that Waterman box. Let me have a reach right to the back here. This is another gorgeous pen. As you can see, comes in the original box. If we open it up, look at that gorgeous set. And by the looks of it, we've got a Conway Stewart 388 fountain pen and pencil set, but in very nice condition. That won't take a lot of work. It'll just need a new sack fitting, cleaning, because it's already in gorgeous condition and comes in the original box, as you can see there. So where are you Conway Stewart fans? We've got not just that one, we've got numerous Conway Stewart. So if you're after a Conway Stewart pen, don't be shy, get in touch. Now again, this is a interesting one. As you can see, comes in an old original case. Press the button and look at this. So to the back, we've got a Waterman's Ideal fountain pen, and look at the pen. Absolutely stunning. The only problem being, there you go, as you can see, it's missing the cap, because it's got this lovely overlay to the pen, as you can see. And the model to the bottom is, it says 0552.5, and then underneath it's got LEC. Not too sure what the LEC means, but there you go, there's a model number. It's actually gorgeous. It's actually, you can still feel this overlay, and it's actually still nice and pronounced to the touch. So it's got the original nib there, but yes, it's missing the cap. Basically trying to find a cap with the correct pattern will be very, very difficult. Have any of you people out there got a spare cap for this pen? Please get in touch if you have. If not, I think the only option is to have a hard rubber cap just made for this pen. Okay, it won't have the overlay, but it'll make it into a usable pen. So that's one of the options. But yeah, anybody got a cap for this pen? It'd be very much appreciated if you got in touch, because this one needs to find a new home and somebody to enjoy. And as you can see, in the original case as well. And last but not least, I'm not going to turn it over. I've put it upside down for a reason, and that reason being, I'm going to tease you with this one. It's a gorgeous, lovely, and in my opinion, a iconic fountain pen. Okay, so this is the tease for this particular video. After maybe I've showed you the loose pens, I'll do a review on this one, because it deserves it. It's a lovely pen. So yes, we have to tease you now and again, keep you sort of interested if you like. So if you want to see what it is, you'll have to keep on watching. But for now, that's it for the loose ones. As I said, Monday we'll show you the loose pens. So these are the box ones. Monday we'll show you the loose pens. There's also some very nice loose pens in my opinion. There's also drab pens there, rubbish, but there's a few interesting ones as well. So hope you've enjoyed looking at the video, watching and looking at these pens as much as I enjoy showing them to you. Don't forget, leave a comment down below. Don't be shy. Give the video a thumbs up as well if you will, and don't forget to subscribe. But for now, from these lovely pens, I'll just say Slava Ukraini, and from me, bye bye till Monday.